I've got a Slack window open on the right, and I've got a SonarQube Cloud project on the left. Let's start by inviting SonarQube into the Slack channel. Then, let's look at the help. This queries the application to understand all the different commands that are available at this point. There are really 3 steps: connect, invite, and subscribe. Let's check that we're connected. Now let's subscribe to a project. You need to grab the project key. An easy way to do this is to grab it from the URL in the SonarQube Cloud project. Great, it's now set up. So whenever the quality gate status changes, anyone subscribed to that Slack channel will now get a notification. So let's simulate a change to the SonarQube project with an analysis that fails the quality gate. You will see the green tick in the SonarQube project change to a fail status, and a corresponding message arrives in Slack. And if we simulate the quality gate changing again, you will see another message in Slack. And just like that, your SonarQube alerts are now flowing directly into your Slack channel, making sure your team receives immediate feedback. There's a direct link to the official SonarQube docs in the description below. If this guide was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more SonarQube tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!